Self-service channels are the first line of defense in customer service that they typically use before contacting your support agent. It's also a standout example of great customer service in all businesses, because who wouldn't like to serve themselves first, right? But if everyone's doling out a piece of the pie, what makes Kapture the cherry on the top? The answer to that question is easier done than said. So let's take 3 different scenarios. Say a customer is browsing through your e-commerce website to make a purchase, or someone else has a delivery-related inquiry. And take, for instance, a third query is about the return policy for a damaged product. Here's the thing. On Kapture, all of these questions can be answered and resolved impromptu without the need for any agent interaction. Thanks to our unique FAQs backed by an outstanding AI-driven knowledge store that's deeply contextual and is customized to all business verticals because it knows everything. Also, after the customer chooses an option, they can also raise a ticket for more information, which can be resolved right from hello. Because when customers contact you, Kapture gathers full context from previous interactions across all channels to help them help themselves. The software, of course, knows everything. It understands that customers today are informed, a whole lot actually, and they come into conversations with a much higher expectation. And Kapture's self-service is built to keep these conversations easy and light, but also context-aware and informative. All the hundreds of tools and apps that your customers use and love today can also talk to each other and exchange data instantly. Self-service is always a work in progress that customizes and scales with your business. It's definitely not a set and forget exercise. At Kapture, we know how to meet the demands of a constantly growing customer database, and of course, their expectations. Your customer can also build a help center with tips and tools, be guided by super smart AI-powered bots, or even whip up a community forum. Because what is community other than freeing each other, right? With a self-service portal like Kapture, you can liberate your agents to focus on more serious tasks at hand, or even take a coffee break or 2